Siempre que te pregunto que cuándo, cómo y dónde.
Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. We have two beauties, the W111, also known as S-Class from the 70s, in a coupe form and as a convertible. And these two are the Mercedes-Benz last handmade vehicles. After these two, nothing else has been handmade. So it is very important for me to show you these two in a video here at Motor Classic in Hungary. They restored everything from the engine to the gearbox, and they also restored the leather upholstery, including the wood. And I will show you that in other videos behind the scenes. But for now, we look at the convertible. This was the car for celebrities and high-end customers. Only 1,232 units were built. You can see it has a beautiful entrance seat gray exterior color, but the exact same chassis, the same quality we find in the car next to me, the coupe. And this is one of my favorites, to be honest. The hardtop with an electric sunroof. You can already see it has the exact same exterior color, entrance seat gray, and from the wheel caps, it is the exact same color as the body. So we see from the front, beautiful air intake on the top and an amazing curve. This just looks gorgeous on both sides. It is just so a massive power bonnet, and I can really imagine executives driving the S-Class W111 on the Autobahn. With a beautiful Mercedes star, so you are looking at it all the time when driving, and you are owning the road. With this beautiful chrome bumper in the front, and this chrome is completely restored and made at Motor Classic in-house. On the side we see beautiful lines. The upper line goes all the way to the back. The same does the secondary line, which is just below the door handle. It has beautiful round-shaped front window, and if you look to the interior you see this beige-like leather, all made in-house at Motor Classic, including quality wood. It has the new Baxter radio system, and the complete wheel with the chrome part around it is done in-house. On the coupe, I opened all the windows, the electric sunroof, and as both vehicles do not have a B-pillar, you can create convertible-like conditions with the coupe. It has a lot of advantages. It is more stable because of the massive top compared to the soft top. And this of course is completely open. So you can already imagine driving on the Autobahn that the coupe is more comfortable, but you really have this open feeling without a B-pillar. The soft top is completely stocked inside with a cover. And this is all done manually. You have to click the cover until it is stable and fixed to the vehicle. So tell me guys, what do you like better? The coupe or the convertible? You can write it in the comment section below. In the back you can also notice the extra storage area right there. Closer to me, I can open it. There it is. It is actually an ashtray. I could have known. The S-Classes back then had different naming and lettering. This one is called the 280 SE, but on the side it says 3.5, and also the first V8 engine to come in an S-Class. Plus that the bonnet opens all the way, including the radiator grille. So let's go to the interior. I will just casually walk alongside the beautiful S-Class convertible, and let's listen to the door. The sound is so quality. You open it just like in the G-Class. So now we are back at the workstation at Motor Classic. It's with the W111 and we are checking out the underneath. Nothing is spared. It is completely restored. All the buttons, the screws are galvanized, plated in gold, black, and you can even see that the aging material is completely redone. The tires are Michelin tires because these are just like the originals. So you really see that investing in small stuff like this helps the quality of the vehicle. It has the new pressure system for the suspension. So nothing is spared, all in great quality and shape, even the underneath. And right at the front we can see our famous transmission. Beautiful that we also have Mercedes emblems underneath. You can see that the exhaust pipe at the end tip is in chrome, which is also fully done in-house at Motor Classic, the chroming. Just look at the state of this workstation. We have the chassis over there, the coupe next to me, and right here the convertible. So let me just lower it. Beautiful with the same color anthracite gray rims. So let me close it once more. Amazing sound, and we will quickly move to the rear. As you see, a huge trunk, 280 SE with the chrome bumpers and beautiful taillights. A funny fact is that behind the license plate of Motor Classic, you can pull this out and there you can refuel. You can press this button to open the trunk with a beautiful Mercedes door. And right here you can actually see it has a huge trunk area with a spare tire on the side, not even underneath. So this is immense compared to the modern day cars. So I will close this entrance seat, beautiful looking cover. Amazing closing sound. Now it is time to move alongside the beautiful shape and to enter the S-Class Pioneer model from the 70s. Amazing S-Class sound. Original S-Class, I have to say. Because right here we have a beautiful Mercedes star on the steering wheel and beautiful leather upholstery, all done at Motor Classic in Hungary. I really love the Mercedes star on the bonnet and the perfect way of restoring this W111. It is from the year 1971. It is one of the last built 3.5 liter V8s on this S-Class. Everything, the windows, is electric adjustable. So you can just press the button and there the window opens, even the back. And that means there is no B-pillar, which is amazing. We have the Becker radio system, all original as it was, with glove box department, also an ashtray with cigar lighter, and just amazing lights, buttons, and air conditioning, air vents. I really love the quality wood and the leather down here. You can push this up for some storage space. Amazing, the seats feel so comfortable. Cool and warm air. Amazing, guys. So let me press the button and we'll check out what is under the bonnet. Of course it has a release right here. It will open, including the radiator grille. And right there we have a beautiful cover for the Mercedes engine. It is a 3.5 liter V8 and completely restored, including the gearbox. All aging material has been replaced and everything that is restorable, of course, restored. So let's close this 3.5 liter V8 engine. And that takes us over to the coupe. We will also check out the interior, as this is Similar, but still you have more electronic possibilities. Both vehicles have the air conditioning by Bear. This is totally original. Amazing to have this air ventilation system. The sunroof opens so far and it has beautiful handles right there on the top. No B-pillar, so you can really put your hand all the way to the back. Amazing, guys. That's an immense trunk. It is way deeper, of course, because you don't need the Roadster, the Cabriolet soft top inside. So this is around 1 meter and 50 centimeters in length, the trunk. And that's immense if you compare it to nowadays. Press it to fully close correctly. So we will go to the interior alongside this beautiful hardtop coupe. Here the leather part has been taken out, but we have a lot of storage space. In front of us again, the Mercedes star, beautiful on the bonnet. We have the gauges right here in front of us. It is currently set to neutral. And yes, this is a 4-speed automatic transmission. It goes to 100 kilometers an hour in 9 seconds. Top speed is 205 kilometers an hour. This is fully restored at Motor Classic with the chrome part right here done in-house, as well as the integrated Mercedes star. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the two beautiful S-Classes from 1971. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.